Most people use the terms AI and data science interchangeably, like they mean the same thing. They don't. And this confusion is exactly why many people either learn the wrong skills or build unrealistic expectations. So let's clear it properly. Data science and AI are connected, but they are not the same. One focuses on understanding data, the other focuses on building systems that act intelligently using that data. Start with data science. At its core, data science is about extracting insights from data. You collect data, clean it, analyze it, and use it to make decisions. The goal is understanding what is happening, why it's happening, and what might happen next. It's heavily based on statistics, analysis, and structured thinking. Data science helps businesses make better decisions, but it doesn't always automate those decisions. Now compare that to artificial intelligence. AI is about creating systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, like recognizing images, understanding language, or making decisions automatically. Instead of just analyzing data, AI uses that data to act. It doesn't just tell you what might happen, it can take action based on that prediction. This distinction has roots in how the fields evolved. Early AI research, led by pioneers like John McCarthy, focused on creating machines that could simulate human intelligence. Data science, on the other hand, grew out of statistics and data analysis, focused more on understanding patterns in data rather than building intelligent agents. Over time, these fields started overlapping, especially with the rise of machine learning. In practical terms, data science might tell a company which customers are likely to leave. AI might automatically send personalized offers to those customers to retain them. Data science might identify patterns in medical data. AI might use those patterns to assist in diagnosing patients. So data science informs decisions while AI executes or automates them. But here's the mistake most people make. They think AI replaces data science. It doesn't. AI depends on data science. Without clean data, proper analysis, and structured understanding, AI systems don't work properly. In fact, most AI failures come from poor data, not poor algorithms. Now, with modern tools, the line between the two is starting to blur. Data scientists use AI techniques, and AI systems rely on data pipelines built through data science. But the core difference still matters. One is about insight, the other is about action. At the Learning Studio, the goal isn't just to define terms, it's to help you understand how these systems actually fit together. Because once you understand the difference between AI and data science, you stop chasing buzzwords and start building real understanding. And that's what actually gives you an edge.